Welcome back at my channel at Utopia Travel. Some cities shout, demanding our attention with noise and light, but Amsterdam is a city that whispers, inviting us to slow down and listen. Its rhythm matches the gentle flow of its canals, best felt when we ourselves become still. This isn't the Amsterdam of postcards and crowds. Instead, we seek out its hidden courtyards, empty morning streets, and overlooked details. The way light falls on old bricks, the reflection of a crooked house in still water, the sound of a single bicycle on cobblestones. We wander when the world sleeps, and discover a city that breathes softly. Sanctuaries of silence await, tucked away from the main paths. Amsterdam isn't just a destination but a living, breathing being. Every alley and canal holds a story, waiting for those who move slowly. Our journey isn't a race but a film of quiet moments. The true magic of a place is found in its everyday poetry. Let's quietly enter the heart of Amsterdam and let its secrets unfold. This is an invitation to see a familiar place, as if for the first time. Let's begin. The world is still dark, a soft blue light just touching the edge of the sky. This is the hour before Amsterdam wakes up, when the city is all its own. The air is cool, the streets are empty, and the city holds its breath. Every little sound matters, the far-off hum, the lapping of water, the song of a lonely bird. The canals are like glass, reflecting canal houses and arched bridges in perfect symmetry. Streetlights cast golden trails on the water, shimmering with every ripple. In this early light, the true shape of the city is revealed elegant, old, uncomplicated. This is the promise of our journey, finding peace in the quiet heartbeat of Amsterdam. Before the city stirs, it offers a gift to the early birds, a glimpse into its soul. Even in a busy capital city, deep quiet waits to be found. It's a quietness that calms the mind and opens the heart. Here, beauty isn't found in big attractions, but in the living scene of light, water, and stone. The city's quiet moments are its most precious. We are here to see them. As the sun comes up, the Jordaan turns golden with light. The streets are empty, the canals are quiet, and the city feels like a dream. We walk along the Brouwersgracht, feeling the morning dew on iron railings. Water drips from leaves, colorful doors stand like silent guards. Houseboats are calm, a lonely swan glides on the water. The sky is calm, leaves rustle in hidden gardens. The Jordaan is a peaceful maze, best explored without a map. Light shifts from pink to gold, windows gleam, footsteps echo on cobblestones. In this light, the Jordaan is a special place, a gentle soul revealed at sunrise. Even the busiest places have a quiet side for those who look for it. Right in the middle of Amsterdam, behind a simple door, you'll find the Begijnhof, a truly peaceful place. Step inside and leave the city noise behind. Old houses, a green lawn, and a small chapel create a special sanctuary that time hasn't touched. The quiet here is deep, only broken by church bells ringing far away. The houses surround the lawn, and their fronts tell stories of deep thought and faith. Notice the worn steps, fancy old lanterns, and the sunlight peeking through the tall trees. The Houten Huis, which is Amsterdam's oldest wooden house, stands strong as a symbol of never giving up. The Begijnhof is like the quiet heart of the city, a safe place for peace and respect. Here, peace just asks for quiet respect. In a world that's always rushing, this little courtyard lets us simply breathe. In the early hours, the 9 streets show their quiet side. We turn into narrow alleys and the world shrinks to a cozy size. Cobblestones, worn smooth by hundreds of years, whisper stories of the past. Little shops and cafes wait for the day to begin, their windows full of tales. The pace here is slow, the alleys are too narrow to rush. We stop to look at fancy building fronts, colorful tiles, and a cat on a windowsill. Light and shadow make a beautiful picture around every corner. The quiet is deep, only broken by our footsteps. These alleys are like the veins of Amsterdam, places for finding new things and connecting. The 9 streets teach us that beauty is often right in front of us, waiting for those who slow down. The sky changes, and a soft rain begins to fall. It's not a storm, but a fine drizzle that cleanses the city. Raindrops tap on houseboats, sizzle on canal water, creating dancing circles. The city, already quiet, becomes even more so under the rain spell. Bricks become deeper in color, cobblestones gleam, and water flows along the streets. The air smells fresh and earthy. There is only the experience of rain, a pure, sensory immersion. A distant tram rumbles, a bicycle glides by, its tires whispering on wet asphalt. Rain is part of Amsterdam's character, not an inconvenience. We stand under a bridge, watching raindrops fall and light shift on wet buildings. The rain slows everything down, forcing a pause in the day. It's a meditative moment, beauty found in the quiet gray hours. The city breathes, and we breathe with it. In the rain, Amsterdam's poetry is revealed. As the day ends, we arrive at Brouwersgracht, glowing in the golden hour. The rain has stopped, and sunlight bathes warehouses and houseboats in a warm glow. Wet streets and rooftops gleam, reflecting the gold from the sky. This is a lively neighborhood, not a tourist spot. Lights come on, and you can see people moving inside. The canal water is calm, mirroring the lit-up warehouses. A small boat drifts by, its owner quietly heading home. The city settles down, and locals take back their space. The golden hour here is both beautiful to see and makes you feel good, a sense of peace and connection. As the sun sets, we're left feeling thankful for this quiet beauty. Our journey through Amsterdam's quiet corners is coming to an end. As dusk falls, we remember the moments we've gathered first light on the Westerkerk, a crooked house reflected in a canal, an empty cafe chair at sunrise. Each picture is like a verse in the city's quiet song. Amsterdam's true personality is found in its quietest moments. The city breathes with a rhythm that you can only feel if you slow down. By walking through empty streets and listening to the soft sounds, we connect with its soul. The peace we find here can be found anywhere, if we choose to look. It's about seeing beauty in everyday things, magic in the ordinary. As night falls and the streetlights glow, we feel a deep calm. Amsterdam has shared its secrets, teaching us to embrace silence and wander without a plan. The city settles into the night, and we find our own quiet rhythm within it. This slow journey through Amsterdam is more than just a video. It's an invitation to travel differently, to look for the quiet stories hidden in every place. In a world that tells us to hurry, slowing down is a powerful act of peace. The biggest adventures are often found in quiet moments, in just being present. We hope this journey inspires you to find your own quiet adventures. Our collection of slow travel stories celebrates the beauty that's all around us. Thank you for walking through Amsterdam with us. May you find your own quiet courtyards and peaceful canals wherever you go. The wonder of the world isn't found in loud noises, but in whispers. Amsterdam isn't just a city you visit, it's a city you feel. From the canals to the hidden gardens, the art, the culture, and the calm rhythm of life, this place stays with you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which city I should explore next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next adventure at Utopia Travel.